Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey that elevates your cooking game to professional levels? Introducing the HydroPro Plus, the ultimate Sous Vide Immersion Circulator that empowers you to take control of your kitchen like never before. In this review, we'll explore the incredible features that make the HydroPro Plus a must-have kitchen companion. Whether you're an aspiring home chef or a seasoned culinary pro, precision temperature control at your fingertips. One of the standout features of the HydroPro Plus is its digital needle probe. This innovative addition displays the core temperature of your food in real time. This means you can monitor your culinary creations with unparalleled precision. It's the secret to achieving that perfect level of doneness, whether you're cooking a succulent steak or delicate seafood. Delta cooking for faster, yet perfect results. Exclusive to the HydroPro Plus is the ability to perform delta cooking. This technique involves cooking food at a higher water temperature than its final desired temperature. What's the advantage? It significantly reduces cooking times without sacrificing the precise results you expect from sous vide cooking. Imagine enjoying your favorite dishes in less time, all while preserving their exquisite flavors and textures. Sous Vide Toolbox, your culinary assistant. The HydroPro and HydroPro Plus models come equipped with the Sous Vide Toolbox, a remarkable guided cooking experience. It takes the guesswork out of sous vide cooking by providing precise times and temperatures for a wide range of foods. This intelligence is achieved through scientific algorithms that consider the thermal conductivity of various ingredients, ensuring consistent, delicious results every time. Effortless data management with HACCP compliance. For professional chefs and restaurants, HACCP compliance is paramount. The HydroPro Plus simplifies this process by allowing temperature data logging throughout the sous vide cooking and cooling phases. These logs can be seamlessly transferred to the Polyscience HACCP Manager app via Bluetooth. This app, compatible with both Android and iOS, enables easy storage and management of sous vide HACCP reports, even for multiple HydroPro Plus units in different locations. It's a game changer for ensuring food safety and quality. Built for professionals, loved by home chefs, the HydroPro Plus boasts IPX7 water-resistant construction, protecting it against accidental submersion, a crucial feature for busy kitchens. It is NSF Food Equipment certified and CUL commercial approved, making it ideal for professional environments. However, its intuitive design and user-friendly features make it equally adored by home chefs who demand precision and quality in their cooking. Power, speed, and precision combined, with a robust 1450W heater and a variable speed pumping system that delivers an impressive 17 liters per minute with a 360 degrees adjustable flow direction. The HydroPro Plus offers unrivaled precision control, with an accuracy of plus divided by 0.1 degrees Celsius. Whether you're preparing a feast for your family or a banquet for guests, this circulator can accommodate up to a 45-liter bath with a lid, ensuring consistent results. Effortless cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning up after your culinary masterpiece is a breeze. The HydroPro Plus features smooth construction and tool-less disassembly of dishwasher-safe components, making cleanup a hassle-free task. Access to the pump assembly is conveniently achieved through a removable foot and magnetic impeller. After use, simply wipe the exterior with a soft cloth, and you're ready for your next culinary adventure. Plus, it comes with a padded carrying case for convenient storage and transport. In conclusion, the HydroPro Plus Sous Vide Immersion Circulator is a game-changing addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a professional chef aiming for culinary perfection, or a home cook who appreciates precision and convenience, this Sous Vide Circulator has it all. Take your cooking to new heights and unlock culinary excellence with the HydroPro Plus. Ready to transform your culinary creations? Click the link below to make the HydroPro Plus a part of your kitchen arsenal. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more culinary innovations, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in precision cooking. Here's to culinary excellence with the HydroPro Plus.